Yo, I ain't here for the money, I ain't here for the fame. Though it might be nice to own a jet plane,
Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. So happy St. Patrick's Day to you all that celebrate St. Patrick's Day. I decided to go ahead and do a St. Patrick's Day mani using some items that I haven't used in a while and new items. And of course I decided to use this pigment powder from Beauty Big Bang, which you are seeing right here. They were kind enough to allow me to pick this item out to try it out, and I know normally you use it over gel, but I decided to use it with this manicure instead. Starting with my ring fingernail, I'm applying this beautiful green polish to my ring fingernail as well as to my thumb, and I'm applying 2 coats of that. I'm also applying 2 coats of this pastel green to my pointer and pinky fingernail. Next, I'm using the yellow stopper, and I'm actually going to apply this to my middle fingernail. I actually applied silver nail polish off camera to save just a little bit of time, and I'm applying the thinnest coat possible of the yellow stopper. Next, I'm actually going to take my ring fingernail and dip it into the powder from Beauty Big Bang, and this powder is absolutely gorgeous, but it does make a mess. That's why I decided to just dip my finger into it. And if you're going to be using this on clients, of course I do not suggest doing this method, but it's okay if you're just going to use the powder on yourself. But I just absolutely love the way this shines and sparkles. It's really gorgeous. And after I've pat the holographic powder into my nails, I'm applying this liquid latex around my pointer as well as pinky finger. And I'm using this Faburnails stamping plate, which is the Fun 13 stamping plate. And I'm actually going to double stamp these 4-leaf clovers on my pointer as well as my pinky fingernail. I'm going to start with the silver polish first and then use this green, like a hunter green stamping polish, to go over top of it. And what I love about double stamping is it doesn't have to be perfect. You don't have to align it up neatly. You just want that double stamping to kind of have a little bit of dimension to it. Now I'm going to do the same thing featuring the Moyra stamping plate, and this is a 09 celebration plate. And I'm just going to take this Happy St. Patrick's Day image, and I am putting firm pressure on my stamper because this particular image, for some reason, the polish dried really quick, so I put a lot of pressure on it. And be careful if you decide to do that if your image dries too quickly or your polish dries too quickly, because you don't want to get the excess polish on any part of the nail. So now I'm applying top coat to seal in my design, and I really had a lot of fun with this particular nail design because most people choose gold for St. Patrick's Day, but I wanted to choose silver just to kind of do something a little bit different. And I want to thank Beauty Big Bang for allowing me to use this very gorgeous holographic powder. I mean, it's amazing. You gotta try it out. So this is the completed design. I want to thank each and every one of you watching. Definitely consider thumbsing up the video and subscribing to my channel. Blessings to you and your family, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye!